Hey, I'm Shayan and I run NDT Legacy Group. We specialize in building elite virtual engineering teams, providing white label virtual assistant, AI engineers, and full stack experts for agencies, SaaS startups, and coaches. What we do is all about systems, clarity, and execution. And today I want to break down vibe coding for you the way we think about systems internally. This is not hype, this is not beginner fluff. This is practical operator level guide so you can understand what pipe coding can do, what it can't, and how to use it without falling into the trap. Okay. Me- Okay. All right. Uh, all right. Before we get into the details, let's talk about why this video exists. Vibe coding is everywhere. Okay. Uh, Everyone is sharing demos, claiming you don't need developers anymore. But here's the truth. If you misunderstand it, it will quietly destroy your project. This video exists to correct the mental model before you commit to building anything serious. So let's zoom out for a second. Every real software system, whether built traditionally or with vibe coding, goes through the same stages. Idea, requirement, the architecture, implementation. Vibe coding only speeds this step. Testing, deployment, and maintenance. Vibe coding doesn't remove any of these steps. It just make the implementation feel fast. If you skip architecture or planning, you are borrowing trouble from the future, and that interrupts you in a brutal way. Here is the story people are being sold online. You don't need developers anymore. Build apps with prompt. AI will handle everything for you. Sounds good, right? The hype focuses on speed and first implementation, but ignores who owns the system, who fixes it when it breaks, what happens when users act unpredictably. Hype live where consequences haven't arrived yet. So, what software actually is? Software is not just a code. Software is decision. It is your logic. It is your state management, data flow, error handling, security boundaries. Code is only how we express these decisions. Vibe coding generates code without making you confront the decisions behind it. That's why it feels easy, and that's exactly the trap. Okay, uh, let's define vibe coding clearly. It is prompt driven, AI assisted code generation, inference, not architecture driven. Okay, and why it feels easy? Early success feels magical because you're working in a sandbox environment. No real users yet, clean data, no edge cases, or no concurrency. Your prompt once it works, your brain thinks, "Wow, this is easy." Okay, but reality check, nothing has been tested yet. Early success is misleading. Uh, let's split this. Visual progress, which is easy to see, UI, button, layout, animations, and system progress, which is hard to see, but it is critical. You get data models, permissions, validations, error handling, performance. Yeah. So vibe coding is amazing at visual progress, but systems fail behave behaviorally, not visually. So let's talk about where vibe coding actually works. It is great for landing pages, internal tools, dashboards, automations, or MVPs for learning, not scaling. If the project can be thrown away tomorrow, vibe coding is ideal, if not slow down. And front ends are easy. You can say, you know, make this blue or move this here or add a model. But backends are not easy. This requires you to think about what we say data structure, state, error handling, security, permissions. Vibe coding makes front end feel done while backend is fragile or missing. Backend systems, you know, need schema, state management, business logic, validation, security, scalability, and AI generated uh, what we say backend is often assumes happy path, mixed extension, or breaks under load. This is a limitation, not a bug. Okay, and big apps aren't just uh, big or small apps. Small changes ripple everywhere, bugs appear in unexpected places, fixing one thing breaks another. Without architecture, system collapse. Vibe coding gives output, not structure. And you could say technical depth is equals to undocumented decisions. AI generates many decisions quickly. You don't fully own or understand them. Depth say stays hidden until until you add features or hire developers or scale users. Then everything slows down. Instead of instead of debugging, people regenerate code which works early or fails at scale or introduces instability. And real users are brutal. You know, you have bad input, uh, you abuse, concurrency, legal risk, performance pressure. Systems not designed intentionally fail publicly. So, okay, so here is the correct hierarchy. Human designs the system, okay, and AI accelerates the execution. You need to really understand this process. A human should design the system and use AI to accelerate the execution. And ultimately, a human will own the outcome. AI should only support design and not replace it. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Uh, the pros are the speed. You have work in speed. You have accessibility. You have rapid experimentation. And what are the cons? Uh, you could say you get structural blindness or scaling failure. There are hidden risks, or you even get false confidence. Okay. So here is the final verdict. Vibe coding is not software architecture. It is an acceleration tool. Uh, use it responsibly. It will save time. If you use it blindly, it will delay failure. The tool is not the risk. Misunderstanding the system is. All right. All right. That's the full map. If you want to build systems the right way without wasting time, repeating mistakes or hiding behind hype. That's exactly what we do at NDT Legacy Group. We help agencies, SaaS founders, and service business owners build elite virtual engineering teams and white label systems that actually work. If you found this useful and want to see how to apply these principles in real business systems, check out our programs and team solutions. The links are in the description. Thank you.